Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion Shop. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive bright collections only for you. So let me display. Very beautiful one, pure handloom one, beautiful gorgeous looks based for your party wear, wedding functions. Very nice one. This one Reshmi silk with beautiful weaving border design, Banarasi border, very nice one, soft, comfortable, smart, bright look, soft one. This one is fully fine Reshmi zari weaving border design and beautiful color. This one is greenish golden shade with fine Banarasi weaving work, Banarasi border. This one is Banarasi weaving border, very nice one, beautiful pom pom design also. And this one full base part have sign also, same material. Today I have different color only. This one is full base part, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. And this one is Reshmi zari fine weaving Banarasi border. This one is beautiful hand weaving, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very bright, beautiful, elegant looks and gorgeous also. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding party looks. This one also beautiful one, fully heavy weaving design, pure handloom one, premium quality, pure handloom layen by cotton weaving with self weaving, golden zari weaving design, full base part, bright beautiful looks based for your party wear. This one highlighted golden zari border and full base part is beautiful fine weaving design. Full base part, soft, comfortable, smart looks, layen by cotton weaving. This one is running blouse piece and full base part is weaving design. Very nice one. And this one pallu portions, beautiful heavy worked golden zari heavy worked pallu. Soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks, fully hand weaving design. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding bright looks. This one also a very beautiful one, elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom, matka base with heavy hand weaving jamdani work, very nice one, fully hand weaving work. This one full base part, fine golden zari border, bright magenta pink shade, fresh magenta pink shade with beautiful weaving design. This portion is border portions, fully hand weaving work, and full base part is golden zari weaving buta design. And this one muslin pallu with beautiful fine colorful hand weaving design, very nice one. This one is pure muslin pallu with beautiful hand weaving design, very smart, elegant, bright looks. And this one full base part, soft, comfortable, pure handloom matka base with beautiful weaving golden zari weaving buta and full border portions jamdani work, very elegant one. And this one running blouse piece, stripes pattern, golden zari stripes pattern. And this one is full base part, bright fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. Also very beautiful bright color, premium quality, pure handloom layen by cotton weaving with beautiful fine Banarasi weaving border and buta design, very smart bright looks, magenta pink shade. This one border portions golden zari fine Banarasi weaving border, very smart elegant looks, gorgeous also, soft, comfortable. And this one full base part, beautiful fine weaving buta design, fully hand weaving. And this one full base part, premium quality, pure handloom layen by cotton Banarasi. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, very beautiful heavy brocade pattern weaving design, golden zari fine weaving design, heavy worked pallu, very soft comfortable one. Beautiful highlighted lines weaving Banarasi weaving border, highlighted lines with brocade pattern, fine weaving design, very smart bright elegant look, soft comfortable one. And I will suggest this silk material buta work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding bright looks. and this one also, you know, very beautiful color combinations, you know, very nice one, fine weaving design, silver zari weaving design. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, layered by cotton weaving with beautiful silver zari fine weaving, hand weaving buta. This one is beautiful weaving buta design, highlighted contrast color piping, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design. Very smart, elegant looks. Fully hand weaving work, soft, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom, layered by cotton. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, pallu portion. Pallu portion is very attractive one and heavy fine weaving design, silver and golden zari contrast weaving design, heavy worked pallu. Very elegant one, bright looks, best for your party wear, and full base part is already silver zari buta. Very trendy, smart, bright looks, and you know, fully hand weaving design. That's a bright one, best for your party wear. And I will suggest this silk material, golden zari weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this zari for your outstanding bright looks. This one also, you know, a very elegant one. Premium quality, pure handloom, matka base, contrast off-white base and contrast red border, and very exclusive one, elegant looks with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. You know, this one is full base part, this one is contrast color red border, highlighted golden zari piping, very elegant trendy looks, and full border portions, beautiful hand weaving jamdani buta. This one is border portions, very elegant, trendy, smart looks, fully hand weaving work. And this one is full base part, multi-color weaving polka design. Base is pure handloom matka base, export quality, premium quality, and polka weaving design, weaving polka design, multi-color, and border portions very highlighted or jamdani work, contrast border of white base. This one is running blouse piece, and full base part is work. And this one, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, pure resham silk pallu, fine pallu end with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. Very fine work, fully hand weaving jamdani work, and pallu end golden zari fine stripes. Very elegant, trendy, smart looks. Base is off white, red contrast border, resham pallu, resham silk pallu with jamdani work. Very exclusive one, and fully hand weaving work. You know, very trendy, smart, elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton silk material, silk weaving brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. This one also, you know, beautiful one, pure resham silk with buta design, very trendy one, beautiful color combination, transparent without running blouse piece on this saree length. Very nice one, you know. This one is full base part, and full base part is fine golden zari weaving buta design, premium quality, pure handloom resham silk, transparent with buta design, hand weaving buta. Very elegant, trendy, smart looks. And this one, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, heavy weaving buta work, highlighted golden zari stripes with buta design. 21 fully hand weaving golden zari buta with beautiful beads pom-pom design. And this one, full base part, soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks, pure resham silk, transparent buta design, fine weaving buta design, golden zari. And this one is full base part, very exclusive, outstanding looks. And I will suggest this silk material, golden base, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, elegant looks. You know, very beautiful, bright looks, premium quality, pure handloom organza, pure organza with beautiful color combinations. Very nice one. This one, you know, full base part, and this one is border portions, fine contrast color dye border with fine Banarosi weaving design, golden and silver zari contrast hand weaving border design, fully hand weaving work. And this one is full base part, pure organza base with fine weaving buta design, very smart, elegant look, soft, comfortable, obviously, very highlighted border design, Banarosi border. And this one is full base part, this one is full base part, pure organza base. This one is running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece. Let me display first pallu part. This one is pallu sections, contrast color dye pallu. This one is pallu end, and this one is running blouse piece. Very trendy, smart looks, fully worked running blouse piece. And this one is pallu end, contrast color dye pallu with beautiful butta and stripes pattern weaving design. Very elegant, smart, bright looks. And this one is full base part, and this one is highlighted Banarasi border hand weaving. Very trendy one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. This one also very elegant one, beautiful color combinations also, and sequin design, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka resham stripes with beautiful big pattern sequin design. Very elegant one. This one full base part. This one is full base part. Feather like soft premium quality pure handloom hand spun matka, and this one is resham stripes with beautiful sequin design. Big sequin design. Full base part is same stripes pattern with silk mark also, pure product. And this one pure resham silk pallu sequin design with beautiful golden and silver zari hand weaving butta design. Very elegant, smart, bright looks. This one is pure resham silk with silk mark also, pure matka with pure resham with beautiful sequin design hand weaving jamdani butta. Very elegant, trendy looks and beautiful color combinations also. And this one full base part same resham stripes. This portion is pure resham silk stripes with sequin design, feather like soft premium quality pure handloom hand spun matka. Very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. And this one very elegant one, white base, of white base with beautiful sequin and weaving design. This one premium quality pure handloom matka base. Border portions is very smart and highlighted one. This one golden zari 1 inch highlighted sorry, 1.5 inch highlighted golden zari border, and full border portions beautiful fine weaving design work. Very nice one. This one is golden zari weaving with contrast threaded weaving design with sequin work, and full base part is premium quality matka base of comfortable white one, white base. And this one very beautiful one, highlighted contrast stripes golden zari with threaded weaving design with sequin work. And this one is full pallu portions, beautiful smart weaving design with highlighted sequin work. Very elegant one. Full base part, very beautiful smart looks. Premium quality pure handloom hand spun matka golden zari border, and full border portions beautiful fine hand weaving design, fully hand weaving work. Very nice one. Border portion is very highlighted one, trendy smart looks. And this one running blouse piece golden zari fine stripes pattern running blouse piece and fully hand weaving work, soft comfortable premium quality pure handloom hand spun matka. And I will suggest this silk material butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous smart looks. This one also very beautiful one, beautiful color combinations also, and beautiful work also, highlighted multicolor stripes pattern border, premium quality pure handloom muslin base, pure muslin base with this one border portions contrast color weaving fine weaving border design. Very smart elegant look, soft comfortable. And this one is muslin base, pure muslin transparent with fine hand weaving butta design, floral pattern butta design. Very elegant one. And this one pallu portions, beautiful one, highlighted golden silver with contrast color weaving stripes with beautiful weaving butta design, and full base part is muslin base. Very elegant one, fully weaving design, hand weaving, very smart elegant looks. And this one full base part, soft comfortable smart bright looks. This one is pure muslin with beautiful floral motif weaving design. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. This one also, same beautiful color combinations, bright color, matka base with beautiful border design. This one, full base part is plain, and this one is border portions, fine weaving design, multicolor stripes pattern weaving design border, and this one is full base part, matka base, and this one, pallu portions, contrast color, highlighted stripes with beautiful weaving design pallu, soft, comfortable, and this one, full base part, very nice one, soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. This one is full base, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy, bright one. And I will suggest this silk material, buta weaving brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous looks. A very beautiful one, pure natural fabric, lane by lane, beautiful one of white base, contrast border, fine weaving temple design, very elegant one, soft, comfortable. This one, full base part of white base, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane, and this one is contrast color, fine weaving border design, temple pattern, and this one is full base part, premium quality, natural fabric, lane by lane, soft one, and this very elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and this one, pallu portions, beautiful weaving, hand weaving design pallu, soft, comfortable, smart, bright, elegant looks. This one is bright border, and this one is of white base, and this one is fine weaving work, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material brocade work, silk weaving brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding, bright, elegant looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, matka base, premium quality, pure matka with beautiful border design, contrast color, highlighted border. This one, border portions, contrast color, red and blue shade contrast border with beautiful temple weaving design border, and this one is full base part, matka base. One portion is contrast piping and one portion is white border, and this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine weaving design, stripes pattern weaving design, jamdani work pallu, very elegant one, smart, bright looks. Base is white base, matka base, and this one, full base part, very beautiful, smart, elegant, trendy looks. This one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very bright one. And I will suggest this cotton silk material, silk weaving heavy work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding, bright, fresh looks. These are also beautiful color combinations, very nice one. Premium quality, pure handloom, handspun matka base with heavy worked contrast border and fully hand weaving design, matka Banarosi. This one, full base part, bottle green shade. This one is contrast color border, red border with fine hand weaving design. This one is fully hand weaving, and full base part is premium quality, pure handloom, handspun matka with fine weaving, golden zari weaving buta design, very bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. And this one, pallu part, pallu is a very beautiful one, contrast color pallu with beautiful golden zari fine Banarosi weaving design. This one is stripe lines, pallu part, fully weaving Banarosi work, and this one is buta work, full pallu part, and this one, highlighted border, very nice one, contrast color with fine weaving design Banarosi work, border fully hand weaving work, very nice one, gorgeous looks. Bottle green with contrast red Banarosi border, and full base part is fine weaving buta design, and very soft one, very soft, comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous looks. This one is border, and this one is full base part, very nice one. Also in a very beautiful one, matka base with beautiful black base sequin design, very elegant, bright one. This one, full base part, soft one, matka base. This one is full base one, beautiful muslin sequin design. This one is muslin stripes with beautiful silk sequin design, very elegant one, soft one, smart, bright looks. Black base with sequin design muslin, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, muslin pallu with beautiful sequin stripes with silver zari weaving butta design. Very smart, bright looks, trendy one, beautiful bright looks. And this one I am suggesting this contrast blouse piece, silk weaving grey base with beautiful weaving, silver zari weaving Banarasi butta contrast blouse piece for this saree. Very elegant, trendy, bright looks. And this one also beautiful smart look, silk linen material weaving, Banarasi weaving border design, and full base part beautiful digital printed one, pink base, soft one, smart looks. This one full base part, this one is full base part, beautiful one, pink base with beautiful digital printed one, silver zari fine weaving border design. And this one this one is pallu part, beautiful silver zari fine weaving design, Banarasi work pallu with digital printed one. Very nice one, soft, smart, bright look. This one full base part, pink base, digital printed one, silver zari fine weaving border design. And this one is running blouse piece, fully printed one, and this one is full base part. Very nice one, bright, elegant, trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also beautiful one, beautiful looks, very elegant one, color combinations, silver zari fine weaving Banarasi border, and full base part is beautiful digital printed one. Very nice one, soft, comfortable silk linen, pure handloom silk linen. And this one silver zari fine weaving Banarasi border, and full base part is beautiful floral digital printed one, silk linen with silver zari fine weaving Banarasi work border and pallu. This one is pallu portions, fine silver zari weaving design with digital printed one. Very smart looks. And this one full base part, very nice one. This one is border portions, fully silver zari fine weaving design border, and this one is full base part, digital printed one. Very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material, self weaving heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright fresh looks. Very beautiful one, linen by cotton with beautiful weaving butta design. Very smart, bright looks, navy blue set and beautiful golden zari weaving butta design. This one full base part, very nice one, soft, comfortable. This one is full base part, and this one is beautiful golden zari fine weaving butta design. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy golden zari fine weaving design, heavy worked pallu, soft, comfortable one, premium quality, pure handloom linen by cotton. This one full base part, very smart, bright looks. This one is full base part, very trendy one, soft, comfortable. And I will suggest this silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. This one also same material, same pattern, different color, black base, very bright fresh looks. This one black base, linen by cotton weaving with golden zari weaving butta design, very bright one. This one is full base part with fine golden zari weaving butta work. Very nice and soft, comfortable, linen by cotton weaving, and full base part is butta work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, beautiful heavy golden zari weaving design, heavy worked pallu, soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks, bright party looks. And also very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom natural fabric, linen by linen with Banarasi work, contrast border with fully hand weaving Banarasi design. This one full base part, beautiful fine weaving butta design, and this one is border portions, fully Banarasi weaving design border, and this one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom natural fabric, linen by linen with contrast color, hand weaving Banarasi border. And this one is full base part, linen Banarasi, very nice one, full base part also weaving butta design. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful one, contrast color pallu with heavy weaving, fine weaving design. heavy worked pallu, soft comfortable one, smart bright looks, bottle green shade, contrast pink Banarasi border, very nice one. And such as this contrast blouse piece, pink base, cotton silk material, heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding bright looks. And today I have get a beautiful saree, pure reshmi silk with reshmi zari weaving Banarasi work. This one border portions have sign, also golden sign, purple golden shape, very beautiful one, pure reshmi silk with reshmi zari weaving Banarasi work border, fully heavy work border. And this one pallu portions, beautiful reshmi zari weaving design, heavy worked Banarasi pallu and border, very nice one. This one is full face part, very soft comfortable one, and pallu in this beautiful pom-pom design, very elegant one, based for your party wear. And with beautiful jewelry also. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.